Welcome viewers, if still you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon to get technology updates regularly on this JP Infotech channel.
Hi, welcome all. In this video, we are going to see about how to download and install JDK and NetBeans 8.2 in Windows 10 operating system. So the official website for downloading NetBeans IDE is netbeans.org. Here you can see the download version where you can go ahead with all the platforms that is available, the bundles available to download, which is around 221 MB, which is free download. You can click it and download it. And for JDK, you can go to the Oracle website and you can download it, where these two things varies, and sometimes the links given in the JDK may not be in the official site. So I have given you a media file link, that is, this is the link, the media file link, where you can download the JDK and NetBeans easily. This I'll give you in the description box also. You can just click it and download it. Once if you download that, you will be getting this folder, which is in a RAR format. You need WinRAR software to extract it. So just right click it and click extract here option. Now you can see the three exes which are downloaded, which is JDK for 32-bit and JDK for 64-bit and NetBeans. So first thing is like we wanted to install JDK. So first you check whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. In case if you are not aware of it, you can just go to this PC and click properties, where you can see your system type, whether it is 64 or 32. Here you can see my system is 64-bit operating system, so I'll be installing the 64-bit, that is JDK, which is have x64. Okay, if your system is 32-bit, you can go ahead with the x86. Just double click this one and just click S. Now you can see the installation that is set up. You can click next and click next here. If you want to change the location, you can change it or leave it as default one. I'm giving as default one and click next. Now you can see the change in license term. Click OK. Here it asks for the Java setup destination folder. If you want to change it, the default one, you can click change. I'm giving the default one as next. Now the Java setup is being in progress. Now you can see the setup is been completed. Click close. Now let us see it is installed or not. So go to the command prompt and type javac version. You can see javac is not recognized as an internal external command operable program or batch file. So it means that the path file is not set properly. So what you wanted to do is like go to the location where it has been installed. So here you can see the JDK version. Go to the bin folder. So see the location, see program file Java JDK 1.8.0 to the bin. So just copy this location. Now go to this PC and right click properties. Now go to advanced system settings. After that you can see the environmental variables. Just click this environmental variables. Now you can see here the variables, that is, you click new, click right variable name as path, and variable value you paste the value that we have copied the location and click OK. Now click OK. Now the environmental variable is set. Now let us check that one. So go to command prompt, type javac -version. Now you can see the Java version. Now you can see the Java version also. Okay, so now the path file is set properly. Now let us go to the next path, that is NetBeans installation. Just double click that one and click yes. The important thing in the NetBeans installation is like you wanted to select Apache Tomcat server properly. So if you skip that and if you have not selected that, then it gives some problem in execution of our projects. So this is the main part. So please note, this is the main part that you wanted to concentrate. So if you click next, the Apache Tomcat will not be installed default. So here you can see the runtime as Glassfish server only. Just click customize here. Okay, if you click customize, you can see Apache Tomcat, which is not checked by the checkbox. So just check it also and click OK. Now you can see both Glassfish server and also the Apache Tomcat server. So if you have done this, there will not be any problem in execution of the Tomcat, that is web-based projects. Now click next. Now accept the license agreement and click next. Here you can see where the folders it has been installed, the program files and NetBeans and JDK, which has been installed already, and click next. So this is the location of the Glassfish server. Okay, and click next. Click next. If you want to check for the updates, you can check it, or if you don't want, you can just uncheck it and click install. Now it takes few minutes to install. You can see the installation percentage here. Now the setup has been complete and you can see the setup complete information here, and you can click finish. Now the NetBeans is been installed successfully, and here in the desktop you can see the NetBeans IDE 8.2. Just double click it. Now after successful installation of NetBeans 8.2, now let me show you a demo of a project, how to execute a project which is already developed in NetBeans. Just go to file menu and click open project and select the location. Here is the source code of this project. This is which is named as G Cloud. I'm selecting open project. You can see the components are being loaded, and for the first time if you are loading the project, it takes some time. Please note, it takes some time to load all the components, so please be patient on that. And after that, click the project, right click the project and select run. You can see the project is being deployed and running here, and the project is executed successfully. So in this way you can run a web application project which is already developed in NetBeans 8.2, and thanks for watching.